You can choose connection type, channel count, number of output channels, even combined, all three types, TRS, DSUB or XLR. TRS balanced outputs. Basic, 1 stereo out, as left and right TRS outputs. Second stereo output for monitors. Third stereo out for VU meters. Also you can add as many channels you want. XLR balanced outputs. Also you can add as many channels you want. Even combined with TRS outputs. Combined with additional DSUB outputs. DSUB, Tascam analog balanced outputs. DSUB out, provides 4 outputs, at the same time. Even combined with TRS outputs. Additional XLR output. Please note. No signal difference between DSUB, TRS, and XLR, in terms of signal conduction. No quality reduction, all the 3 type use 3-pin conductors per channel. Also, both active and passive summing mixers come with fully balanced connectors and discrete dual stereo signal path from input to output. Thanks for watching. Please visit vintagemaker.net.